Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the game build matches the module release, because mismatches cause silent failures. Once done, copy the only way Footstep files into /mods/Uglyburger0 footsteps and keep a backup of original audio assets. This preserves default behavior. Next, enable the module in your mod manager and restart the game client so file hashes refresh. You should see log entries for the module on startup. If not, recheck paths and file names, since exact casing matters. You now configure how footsteps behave. Open the module config and set volume, layering priority, and distance falloff. These controls determine how footsteps mix with ambient sound and how far they carry. Then select material presets, wood, metal, carpet, and test each to verify correct samples play, because wrong presets produce clipping or silence. Once configured, enable the in-game debug overlay to show footstep events and sound ID, so you can confirm triggers fire and samples map correctly. You finish by locking configs and validating mod load order. Only way must load before broad audio packs, otherwise it gets overridden. Make a brief multiplayer test to confirm footsteps sync for others. If you encounter missing or distorted sounds, inspect file names, confirm sample rate and channel layout match module requirements, and scan logs for loading errors. If problems persist, enable verbose logging. This reveals sample load sequences and resource conflicts, which is the quickest route to identifying and...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.